Have you just turned on your PC and suddenly seen the error? Driver cannot load on this device, ene.sys? Don't worry. This is a common issue in Windows, and today I'll walk you through several reliable ways to fix it. Stick with me, because one of these methods will solve the problem on your system. Let's start with the simplest fix. Open your Start menu, search for Settings, and head into Windows Update. Select Advanced Options, scroll down, and open Optional Updates. If you see anything listed there, make sure everything is checked and then hit Download and Install. Missing or incomplete updates can trigger driver load errors, and this alone fixes it for many users. When that's done, go back to Advanced Options, scroll to Recovery, and look for the option to go back to a previous version of Windows. If Windows recently updated and caused the conflict, rolling back can instantly clear the issue. If you're still getting the error, here's the next method, and it's extremely effective. Open your File Explorer, go to this PC, and double-click on your C drive. Click the three dots at the top and open Options. Under the View tab, enable Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives, then Apply. Now scroll to the bottom of your C drive and look for a file named ene.sys. If you see it, simply rename it. Adding a 1 at the end is fine. Confirm any security prompts and restart your computer. Renaming the file prevents Windows from loading the faulty driver, which often removes the error instantly. If you don't find the file in your C drive, open the Windows folder instead, go into System32, then Drivers, and look for ene.sys there. Again, rename it, confirm the change, and restart. Still stuck? There's one last fix that usually does the trick. Search for core isolation in your Start menu. Inside that window, turn memory integrity off. This feature can sometimes block older or unsigned drivers from loading, including ene.sys. Once you disable it, restart your PC and the error should finally disappear. And that's it. One of these methods should solve the driver cannot load on this device problem for good. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments and make sure to subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.